Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glo-Mary, and on this channel I talk about everything beauty. Yeah, so this one I started without you guys. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can make fluffy braids by yourself. This hairstyle is perfect for people who have very fine hair, or people who are looking to making hairstyle that looks like locks but they do not want to lock their hair. And this style is also perfect for people who want to grow their hair and want to leave it out for a while still rocking like a very rough and not very rough, a rough but stylish look. Yeah, so if you have a fine hair, or your hair comes out a lot when you attach something, fluffy braids is the hairstyle for you. So I'm just going to be showing you step by step what you need to do to achieve this hairstyle, and I will be telling you tips to maintain this hairstyle while you are wearing it. So yeah, after you must have parted your hair in your desired size, I would advise that if your hair is not that full, you make it bigger. But if your hair is full and long, you can make it thinner. But my hair in this case is full but not so long, so I'm just going to be doing medium size. Now the most important part of this hairstyle is that what is tight is the root. You hold the root tight when you are braiding it. It is only the root that is tight. Just go in like 4 times and then later you loosen up. You see that you see how I loosen up my hand while I was doing it. So let's do it again. You see how those ones are very tight. Once I remove my hand now, it will be very loose, so that whatever hair that wants to even come out should even start coming out as at that time. You understand? So yeah, this is what it looks like, and trust me, I will always do for you once in a while, guys. All right, so yeah, I'm slowing this down now so that you can really get what I am trying to say. You see that place that I'm holding is very tight, so that you can have like a very neat scalp and clear scalp. So now this one I'm doing is to make it very loose, and that's the fluffy part that we are actually talking about. I intentionally slow this down so that you can really get it. So, and most importantly, when you are making this hair, try as much as possible to moisturize your hair. It may not be water, you can use your leave-in conditioner. And if you want to get like a good result from this hair after wearing it for a long time, make sure that when you are wearing it, you are moisturizing your hair. You are applying oil, you're applying water, you're applying cream, depending on your hair porosity. If you don't know your hair porosity, or you don't know how to check it, I will leave a video at the end of this video where you can learn what your hair porosity says about your hair and how you can moisturize your hair in accordance to your hair porosity. Another great advantage of this hair is that you can easily wash it. Because it is loose, it's easily washable and it dries quickly. If you are new here, we do this thing where we share a Bible verse in every long form video to encourage us. And you guys, here is the verse of the day. And this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if you'll be trying this out, and I'll make sure I see you in my next one. Bye.